In this lesson, we'll copy text from a text document to add to the top of the design, and then we'll group the text layers into a group folder. Open up the Album Assets folder, and let's open up the dedication.txt file. And this file has information about DJ Kool Herc. He was the founder of hip hop music, New York City, 1973. And I want to make this dedication to him from the artist that we're making the album cover for. Let's copy that. You can do a Command C. And in Photoshop, use the text tool, and we're using Futura Bold still. Click on the guideline to center the text. Do Command V to paste in the copy. Click the check mark at the top of Photoshop. Instead of clicking on the Move tool and then clicking on the Type tool again, you can click on that check mark, because now we still have the text tool selected and we can modify the text without having it highlighted. Let's open the Toggle Character and Paragraphs panel. And for the color, I want to do a white. Click OK. I want to do all capital letters. There's a way to do that. This icon right here, the double capital T's, is called all caps. If you click on that, it will make all of your text capital letters. Do Command T to transform. Click on the top middle square and press Option to make the text center and get smaller and go towards the middle of the design. And then press Shift and select the bottom middle square to make the text taller, and press Return. We're done with the text in this design. We can close the character panel. Click on Shift to select all of the text, and then click on the folder at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a new group. Putting all of the text in a group folder. We can rename that Copy and press Return. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.